List of minor planets. The following is a list of numbered minor planets in ascending numerical order. Description of partial lists. The list of minor planets consists of more than 500 partial lists, each containing 1,000 minor planets grouped into 10 tables. The data is sourced from the Minor Planet Center MPC and expanded with data from the JPL-SBDB mean diameter, Johnston's archive subclassification, and others. See detailed field descriptions below. For an overview of all existing partial lists, see SS main index. The information given for a minor planet includes a permanent and provisional designation SS designation, a citation that links to the meanings of minor planet names only if named, the discovery date, location, and credited discoverers SS Discovery and SS Discoverers, a category with a more refined classification than the principal grouping represented by the background color SS category, a mean diameter, sourced from JPL-SBDB or otherwise calculated estimates in italics. The MPC may credit one or several astronomers, a survey or similar program, or even the observatory site with the discovery. In the first column of the table, an existing stand-alone article is linked in boldface, while self-redirects are never linked. Discoverers, discovery site, and category are only linked if they differ from the preceding catalog entry. Example. The example above shows 5 catalog entries from one of the partial lists. All 5 asteroids were discovered at Palomar Observatory by the Palomar-Leiden Survey PLS. The MPC directly credits the survey's principal investigators, that is, the astronomers Cornelis van Houten, Ingrid van Houten-Groneveld, and Tom Jaerels. This is the only instance where the list of minor planets diverges from the discovery circumstances in the official MPC list. 100. Designation. After discovery, minor planets generally receive a provisional designation, e.g. 1989 AC, then a leading sequential number in parenthesis, e.g. 4179 1989 AC, turning it into a permanent designation numbered minor planet. Optionally, a name can be given, replacing the provisional part of the designation, e.g. 4179 Tautades. On Wikipedia, in modern times, a minor planet receives a sequential number only after it has been observed several times over at least 4 oppositions. Minor planets whose orbits are not yet precisely known are known by their provisional designation. This rule was not necessarily followed in earlier times, and some bodies received a number but subsequently became lost minor planets. The 2000 recovery of 719 Albert, which had been lost for nearly 89 years, eliminated for these reasons. The sequence of numbers only approximately matches the timeline of discovery. Discoverers. The MPC credits more than 1,000 professional and amateur astronomers as discoverers of minor planets. Many of them have discovered only a few minor planets or even just co-discovered a single one. Moreover, a discoverer does not need to be a human being. There are about 300 programs, surveys, and observatories credited as discoverers. Among these, a small group of U.S. programs and surveys actually account for most of all discoveries made so far. See pie chart. Discovery site, sites. Observatories, telescopes, and surveys that report astrometric observations of small solar system bodies to the MPC receive a numeric or alphanumeric code, such as 675 for the Palomar Observatory or I-41 for the Palomar Transient Factory, a dedicated survey that was conducted at Palomar Observatory during 2009-2012. On numbering, such an observatory may directly be credited by the MPC as discoverer. Category. Diameter. If available, A minor planet's mean diameter in meters m or kilometers km is taken from the NEOWISE mission of NASA's Wide Field Infrared Survey Explorer, which the Small Body Database has also adopted. Mean diameters are rounded to two significant figures smaller than 100 kilometers. Estimates are in italics and calculated from a magnitude to diameter conversion, using an assumed albedo derived from the body's orbital parameters or, if available, from a main index. This is an overview of all existing partial lists of numbered minor planets low MP. Each table stands for 100,000 minor planets, each cell for a specific partial list of 1,000 sequentially numbered bodies. The data is sourced from the Minor Planet Center. For an introduction, see SS Top. Numberings 100,000. Numberings 100,000 200,000. Numberings 200,000 300,000. Numberings 300,000 400,000. Numberings 400,000 500,000. Numberings 500,000 600,000. Specific lists.